Hello, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can enable recovery mode on your VIVO V40 Pro phone. So the first thing we're going to do is power off our phone by either holding the power button, or if that doesn't work for you, holding the power button and the volume up button at the same time. And now this menu should appear, and we're going to click on power off. And once our phone is turned off, what we're going to do is hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. You're going to hold that until the fastboot menu appears. And now we're going to use our volume buttons on our phone to navigate the recovery mode menu, and then use the power button to enter it. And there you go. Once the phone restarts, you will see that you are now in the recovery mode, and you can do whatever you wanted with it. So there we go. Now you're in recovery mode, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.